When delivering a presentation, you want the image on the screen to be crisp and vivid, regardless of the lighting or the weather. Even in the bright sunlight, the multiboard screen stays sharp and saturated.
Our company holds daily meetings. Occasionally, it's more than 10 participants from all over the world. Thanks to MultiBoard, I don't need to take a 1,000-mile flight to discuss a project with my team or partners. These meetings are as efficient as talking in person. Functional software and apps, as well as multi-touch, greatly help optimize the workflow. MultiBoard is integrated into our network. I can open any project on my computer. Now it's a whole lot easier to get a mock-up approved and reach a consensus. Current market conditions demand prompt responses and mobility. MultiBoard saves our main asset, time. While the competitors are hesitating, we are getting things done.